Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shelby from Caracho's Chronicles, and today we are prepping for my son's first birthday. So it's actually Wyatt's birthday today. A year ago right now we were snuggling. I had just given birth to him, so all the feels, guys, all the feels. We're going to Newcastle, which is where my parents live, and we are going to go to the dollar store and basically find all the decorations we need for Wyatt's birthday party. It's the easiest party because he's excited. It's the easiest birthday party to kind of throw, in the sense that you only need to buy the 4 colors. So I'm going to bring you along to the dollar store, show you all the decorations we got. And then tomorrow night, me and my mom are going to decorate and set everything up. So I'm going to show you all that as well. We are doing a do-it-yourself cake smash, so I'm also going to include that as well. It's a big video, lots of stuff going on, but we're planning a party for Wyatt's first birthday. Yeah, I'm feeling it, Okay, see you soon. Okay, so we're back from the dollar store. I'm just gonna run through the decorations with you and show you what we got. So first, for decor, we got 5 tissue fans. So we've got all the colors of the Wiggles. And then we also got just a banner with also the colors. So those will go up. And then we got streamers. So we got the blue, yellow, purple, and red, and we're just going to be putting those up with a bunch of balloons. So again, just easy peasy, get all the colors of the balloons. These we're going to put our fruit salad in. They're just little rainbow cups and they're super cute. And then we have veggie sticks to go in these ones. We're just going to do carrots and celery and some dip in the bottom. And then the cups, we got all of the colors, red, yellow, blue, and purple, just to kind of keep on theme. And then we just got these for goodie bags. There's not many kids coming, so I didn't want to get a lot. And all we're gonna do is fill them with these rainbow goldfish, just to keep with the color scheme. And then I do have little Wiggles circle things to put on here that I will show you guys soon. And then we didn't need a ton of plates either, so I just got green and yellow to go with Dorothy's colors, just so that I didn't have to decide between each Wiggle color. And then I found these really cute napkins to just kind of go with it as well. So that's kind of all the party decor. I did get him these balloons too. It's huge, but those will go in the front hallway. And then I am gonna show you guys how to set up your own cake smash in a minute, but I just got some white backdrop, so it's just 2 white tablecloths. They're gonna be set up. I am baking our own cake. I had to get gluten-free because of Wyatt's dairy allergy. And all I'm gonna do is bake this in a couple of these pans, just so that it's smaller, and stack them up. And then I'm going to coat the whole thing in this coconut whip topping and then put a bunch of rainbow sprinkles on it. And I think he'll have fun with that. So yeah, we're gonna get to baking this cake. So these are the cupcake toppers that my aunt made. I have to cut them all out, and then we're going to be using these for the cupcakes and the goodie bags. So the cake box mix I'm using is just a Betty Crocker gluten-free cake mix. I'm just following the instructions on the box.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this.
I am gonna add some sprinkles in to add a bit of color to the cake.
Give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there.
So I'm just using 2 small aluminum foil pans. I'm going to trace the bottom of it to cut out some parchment paper to put at the bottom so it doesn't stick. And then I'm gonna spray the crap out of it with oil.
I just don't know what I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I'd take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope.
It's now the night before Wyatt's party and we're just decorating, and I am so excited. I love how this turned out. I'm so excited to show you guys tomorrow when it's all set up completely with the food and everything. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this wiggle party.
I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know.
So if you guys haven't guessed it by now, we are doing a wiggle themed birthday party.
Let's figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my phone, 'cause I can't move on. Whoa, why did she go? Whoa, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, just tell me, why did she go? Why did she go? Whoa, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one?